Driver02 here, coming back to you today with another beautiful sunny day vlog. And so, feeling a little bit under the weather, but you know, you gotta get out and do something when the weather is this nice. Seems like the whole family got sick over Easter weekend, and well, now those of us that visited are dealing with the lingering effects. But I'm still 90% feeling pretty good, so today I have the Evolution electric demo saw. So I wanted something like this for quite some time, and recently I looked on Amazon and found this, and they're going for a really good price, had really good reviews, so I decided to give it a shot. And so, doing a bit of cleanup, and I got some scrap metal to chop up, but I'm gonna change out the diamond blade for an abrasive wheel because I don't want to destroy this diamond wheel just cutting up scrap steel. I have some abrasive wheels I think will fit. They're a little bit smaller, but let's see what we can do. Packed full of debris. Huh. That thing was packed full of mud or something, and I just splashed it all over the house. Well, mostly just on the downpipe, but yeah. It's like a pipeline welder I knew. Cut through some, I don't know, 12-inch pipe or something. And he cut right through a dead raccoon. Lovely. Well, that worked out pretty good. The saw made quick work of that piece of old scrap iron gate railing thing, whatever it was. Now I got something bigger out back that we'll try. I got a big piece of pipe. It's actually an axle. I want to cut the hubs off, so let's give that a shot. So far it's working great. And I got those 7-inch abrasive discs for cutting metal, so if I can use those up on the saw, that's perfect. I purchased those initially to use on like a 7-inch buffer polisher, but it didn't really work too good on that. Because it's not designed to take like cutting force on that. It's just a buffer, right? So I killed the bearing right away, or probably didn't even have a very good bearing in it, and that's why it's just a buffer polisher. But I can use them on this, so let's try something heavier. There we go. I made real quick work of that. Wore the blade down quite a bit. That was a 7-inch, so if I did get 9 or 10, whatever this saw is, it'd last a fair bit longer. That's just barely held together. There we go. Yeah, that thing works pretty good. So that's not bad at all. Like I say, I just want to use up those 7-inch discs, so not a big deal if it chews through them a little quick. Not a big deal. I could probably maybe reuse them on a 4.5 or 5-inch angle grinder. Maybe. We'll see. But yeah, there you have it. That's the Evolution demo concrete saw, whatever you want to call it. Electric plug-in, 120 volt. I love that. That thing's awesome. So I do have some concrete blocks to cut up, you know, coming up on the to-do list. So I'll be using it for that, and I hope to use it in the future for other projects and stuff. So that's why I decided to grab it. And that was really cheap too for what I paid off of Amazon. I forget, but I think it was like 300 bucks. So it could have been a little more, a little less, but it was around there, ballpark. I think. I don't remember, but I've had it sitting here for, I don't know, a couple months. I think it was my Christmas present to myself. So yeah, that thing, that's working awesome. The only thing that threw me off guard, but it's, I guess the safety, is that the trigger lock, you can't actually lock the trigger on. So as soon as you let go, it dies, and it has a brake, so it stops real quick too. But yeah, that's probably a safety thing. You don't want to have the trigger locked on and then whatever, you stumble and fall and it's running or something and runs off, cut someone's leg off or something. But no, that's fine. You just got to hold the trigger the whole time. I can deal with that. So yeah, I got to get used to this newfound summer weather, but I'm loving it otherwise. And I feel you get out, you work, you sweat, and you know, if you are feeling a little bit under the weather, I feel like it kind of burns off the sickness too. So yeah, well, that's my theory anyway. So yeah, for the rest of the day, I'll probably just continue with a little bit of yard cleanup, or might actually start some pre-planting for spring garden. And yeah, take it a little bit easy for the rest of the day, because I'm not feeling 100%. And then next major project is going to be between shed clean out and yard cleanup, and then I'll be redoing the roof of this shop. Well, I'm going to try and paint it, but it's an old galvanized roof that needs to be painted or something. So my plan is to scuff it with a broom and use another broom to just slather some primer and paint on it. And it can't be any worse than it is, right? And you know, just want to make it look a little bit nicer because it's all rusty brown right now. So, well, what else can you do, right? You can only do what you can do. Anyways, I'm going to get the rest of that stuff cleaned up and put away, and then I think it's tea time. And by tea, I mean coffee. But yeah, let's have a little break, and yeah, I'll get on with the rest of my day. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you like my little demonstration of that saw. Thing works awesome. In the future, I will definitely show cutting some stone or brick or concrete or something, and yeah, that's all for today, I guess. So thank you very much for watching, and as always, until next time, I will see you then.